In today's video, I'll teach you how to add local files to Spotify. First of all, launch open Spotify application. You can see over here Spotify application has been opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to add the local files, it is actually very simple. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply tap on this option, apps and devices, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the apps and devices interface. Simply scroll down. Now in the section for other devices, right over here, you'll be able to find this option for local audio files. If you toggle it on, it will allow you to add tracks from this device to your library. Simply toggle this button on. Now after you do that, what you have to do is go back. The changes will be saved. Now what you have to do is look at bottom. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, your library. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your library interface. Now you can see over here the local files have been added. All the tracks on your device will be added over here. So like this, you'll be able to add the local files. So that is how you add local files to Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.